How you doing, trucking fans? Today we're gonna look at what the viewers can expect out of DV9TOR Trucking. DV9TOR on the road. First couple of months has been pretty much an experiment just to see how everybody reacts to the channel, to the information. Now it's time for me to step it up a notch. So stick around. We're going to explore some of the great things you can see coming out of my channel, out of my episodes every day, what changes I'm going to make, and what you can look forward to. 2021 is going to be an even better year coming up. Only with your help, though. But in order to do that, I want to make sure you guys can see what it is I'm doing. So I'm going to change the format of these videos a little bit, make it so you can better see what it is I'm doing, what I'm thinking, and instead of just common sense, we're going to be making dollars and cents. We're going to make it make sense to you. That's going to take a little bit of time. That's not something you do overnight. That's a day-by-day, week-by-week thing. So my goal is that by the end of the year, I'll have all that figured out. So be sure and like, share, hit the like button down below, share it with your friends. Hit the subscribe at the end of the video. It'll certainly make you aware of my future videos, other future plans. This is a two-way street after all. I communicate with you by making the video. You communicate with me by telling me how I'm doing. Good day, trucking fans. Probably noticed I haven't posted a lot of videos lately. And having some issues. I've got a plan with AT&T right now, which gives me 50 gigs worth of data. I've been trying to work and negotiate with AT&T to get some more data because these videos are using up every bit of that. So I'm on the hunt right now for a internet provider where I can use a mobile device in the truck to upload these videos as I make them. Paying close to $400 a month just for internet data to upload videos, to me, just ain't worth it. So it may take me a few days to get back on a regular schedule. Until then, I ask your patience. You'll see me back up posting every day, shorties and regular videos, valuable content, stuff you guys can use. I'm going to help you guys out doing what I'm trying to do right now, which is start a trucking company. Right now, we're on a load picked up from Albany, Georgia, going to McCalla, Alabama. I picked that up late last night, scheduled for about a 9:30 pickup. I was in and out within 2 hours. It wasn't a big deal. If you ever go to Venture Logistics in Albany, Georgia, you have to drop your trailer there and pull off to a bobtail site, and they call you when you're ready. So they forecast anywhere from 2 to 3 hours. Last night I was in and out of there in 2. We're going to get on the road here and get up to Publix. I got a 5 o'clock appointment to unload this. We're about 2 hours away. So we should be on time today without a problem. So until then, safe travels. God bless. I'll put up the location of where this place is, unless I remember it. Traveling through just as soon as I hit the state line. Going, oh hell, I'll post it because I'll see it when I get back in the truck. But place comes up on the map as TA Express. It's a nice little place. It's got looks like 6 pumps. Now they got 5 pumps, scale. I think they got 4 showers inside. It's small. Prices are decent. They got about 25 spots to park. So if you come in at 1 or 2 o'clock in the morning, yeah, it's going to be a little bit of a challenge. This fellow here with Millis Transport, me and him just got into a nice little conversation. He's been with them a number of years. He was asking me about how easy LandStar is, what kind of a company they are. So I didn't get your name before we stopped talking, but if you watch this video at some point later on, God bless you and Godspeed to you. I hope if you check us out, you come on over to LandStar and work with some real drivers. Whatever your decision is, my friend, I hope it's a sound decision, and I hope it works for you. Starting out to be a good day. I looked him up. The fellow I was talking to before I left, his name was Taylor. That's what his subscription information says anyway. He's subscribed to the channel, he's checking me out. Thank you for the subscription, my friend. Approached me in the parking lot there at the TA Express. He was talking about he worked for Millis for a while. He was thinking about taking a step up in the right direction. He asked me how LandStar was. I gave him my honest input. I told him exactly what I thought about the company and experience and all that. We got to talking about a lot of other things. I let him know about my YouTube channel. I let him know some things to look for and some things to stay away from. We had a good conversation. So, Taylor, I wish you the best, my friend. I hope you do call him. I hope it works out for you. You, my friend, are in the best position any one of us could be. You've got money saved up. You've got a good credit rating. You don't have outside obligations pulling you away from a job at hand. So, my friend, you stick to it. You do what you got to do. And I hope 10 years from now, I'm looking you up on a YouTube channel somewhere. More power to you, man. God bless. That's what it takes. That's what I'm doing right now. I've got things lined up, putting money away little by little. Half my battles already fought because I've got the truck already. I don't have to buy that. Still got other things to do, so if you want to keep up with me, keep current, subscribe to my channel. You can get alerts on new videos. Like and share them as much as you can, please. That's what's going to take for me to get more words out to more people. In the meantime, we're going to keep doing what we do best. Putting it on screen and keeping it on green. We'll keep doing if you'll keep viewing. Till next time, my friends, be happy, stay safe, and make it count.